stood out with her bold style and confidence. The bold and beautiful award goes to Who's Your Bag? Who's Your Bag? And here wala ata silang pen. Before we award the winner, and first call on is Nanette Pablo to come up stage.
Bow! Data Pedro ron. Number 9. Okay, so.
Now that Nanette is upstage, I will announce the winner. So the bold and beautiful award goes to Miss Salve Prestero.
Wow!
A round of applause for Miss Salve Prestero. Palakpakan niyo naman yung winner. From Gaming Department.
May jiram pa nila. Gawin ka yun? Ay?
Of course, our winner will receive a sash and a voucher worth 2,000 pesos.
Okay.
Thank you so much and congratulations, Miss Salve. Now, we'll be awarding the Fashion Trailblazer Award, which goes to the female participant who pushed the boundaries of fashion and gave us something truly unique. And the Fashion Trailblazer Award goes to everyone. Who's your bag? Who do you think will receive another 2,000 pesos? From what department? Parang gaming naman yata kasi lahat. Okay, may we call on Miss Myra Orpilia to award our Fashion Trailblazer Award. Okay, now for our Fashion Trailblazer Award goes to Nicole Medrano from Gaming Department. Let's give her a round of applause. Alina! Another round of applause, please.
Ako nagpalakpak inikan dalaga rin bigas ka. Talaga.
Congratulations, Miss Medrano. And also, thank you, Ma'am Miss Orpilia. And finally, the Crowd Favorite Award. This one is extra special because it's the award given to the female participant who captured the hearts of everyone in the audience. So to present the awards, may we call on Ma'am Marlene Pardo on stage.
Yan ni Robin, ay?
Now, who's your